If your cloud adoption will grow over time, negotiate for a ramped commitment schedule instead of a flat one. Oracle is often open to structuring deals where your annual spend commitment increases in stages as you deploy more workloads to OCI. For example, you might commit to 200K in the first year, 500K in the second, and $100 in the third, rather than $100 every year from day one. This phased approach aligns costs with actual usage ramp-up. You're not paying for full capacity in year one before you can actually use it. A ramp-up structure can be a lifesaver if you have a multi-year cloud migration plan or if certain projects won't move to OCI until later in the term. When proposing this, ensure that the discount rate you negotiated applies consistently or even improves in later years as the commitment grows. Oracle sales reps understand that enterprises often prefer gradual growth, so leverage that. By tying your spend to deployment milestones, you also send Oracle the message that future revenue from you is conditional on a successful rollout. CTA. Don't be afraid to ask for a ramped deal. It shows Oracle you've planned carefully, and it protects your budget by syncing costs with actual cloud adoption timelines.